Are you fucking kidding me right now?
Oh, the dog!
What's wrong, Mark? What's wrong?
Damn, he's full too. Good boy. Good, I can't even say it. Good boy.
What did you do? Brady? Were you on the couch?
Tony?
You know? You know?
Who let the dogs down?
Chewy. Chewy, leave it alone. Chewy, it's a frog.
Ok, pero Pep no es un caballo, cuidado.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Hi, yeah. Yeah, Sky's super excited to go next week. Yeah, of course. Yeah, she can't wait to see Mama. Yeah, and did you say that Crixus was gonna be there too?
Rooney.
What's the matter, Bella?
You look like a Picasso. Yeah.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Let me see you smile.
Oh boy, I've been waiting for this. What's up?
What are you doing?
He's a sweet baby.
Hello, sweet boy, sweet girl, whatever.
Darn, it's a new lounge. Stop it.
You don't like it? You don't want to work out? Come on. Come over here, Josie.
My bitch pose is nasty. Don't ever play with the cat. That elbow. That motherfucking finger that he.
자는 거야? 나무? 나무. 너무 커졌어. 달자. Oh my god.
Look at that butt. Look at it. Look at that butt. Did you just roll your eyes at me?
Get him. Get him.
Friend. Now let you be nice. That's daddy's friend. Let him pet you.
Ah, okay. Hey, now. Ooh!
Yeah, you got caught. Get your ass out of my dryer right now.
Not getting out.
Get out of my dryer.
Jessica, I'm not getting out.
Get out, Dozy.
Look, I have every right to be here like you.
Right, please, 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 please.
I love my dog. I love my dog. I love my dog. I love my dog. He's a good dog. He's a good boy.
Put that. No. No. He said no. Dude, that's my shirt, boy.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is...
Hey Niner, give me a sexy pose. Sexy pose. Ready? Go. Oh, I like it.
Did you make that mess? Come here. Why'd you do it? Why did you do it? You don't know? Come here. Luna.
I left this dog for 5 minutes, put relaxing music on. This is my entire duvet. No. Ow!
No. Beaumont. Oh my gosh. Beaumont. Beaumont. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Bam Bam. Honey. Yeah. Okay.
Hey.
Oh shit.
Be nice. He's not your toy. Boo. Boo. Dog food. Who got into that? Who got into the dog food? I can see you even though your eyes are closed.
Look at what this damn dog wants me to throw.
Oh my god. What do you want? Peanut butter?
I am not demure.
She went in the room.
Can you go get TP? Thank you.
You not running up on nobody, Diamond. I know you want to fight him, okay? Diamond! Diamond! What are you doing? What? No. 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 Hey!
You don't think the jacket's too big?
Alfie, how many times did I tell you not to take my slippers? Let go. Let go. Let go.
¿Y tu perro es amargado?
Huh?
Eu posso saber o que tá acontecendo aqui, Bruce? Posso saber o que tá acontecendo? Não adianta vir fingir, não. Ah, meu Deus do céu.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Leaving you forever? Did you think it was forever? Forever? But Mama loves you. Daddy's right there.
It is so pain glad. Even Harper wants a bit. Go on, go.
How do you feel about this project we got going on, huh?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. But, you know, what about you? Okay.
Okay, if I turn if I oh God, what's wrong, guy?
No le puedes gritar nada más con la misma mano. ¡Con mi mamá no! ¡Con mi mamá no! Pues es que me dices. ¡No, con mi mamá no!
Oh! Oh my God!
No. Bill?
Poor guy, he just wants to say hi. Daisy.
Do you want to go for a walk? Should we go for a walk?
Huh?
Sophie, give Daddy a hug. Give Daddy a hug. Oh.
Oh no. Oh.
Let go. Stop it.
Come here, Roxy. Come here, Roxy. Oh.
Such is my fucking life. Ma'am.